Today video is about difference between Fucidin Cream, Fucidin H, and Fucicort. We will let you know the differences between these creams, their use, and under which condition to use these creams. Fucidin Cream contain fucidic acid. Fucidin H contains fucidic acid and hydrocortisone, which is a mild steroid. While Fucicort contain fucidic acid, along with betamethasone, which is a strong steroid as compared to others. Let's see how this change of ingredient make their use different. But note, all will be used against bacterial infection, as all contains fucidic acid. Fucidin Cream is primarily used to treat bacterial skin infections, such as Impetigo, a contagious skin infection often seen in children. Infected wounds, and folliculitis, infection of hair follicles. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. Fucidin H combines the antibacterial action of fucidic acid with the anti-inflammatory effects of hydrocortisone, helping to reduce inflammation, itching, and soothe irritation. This cream is ideal for bacterial infections that also involve inflammation or itching, such as eczema, dermatitis, with secondary bacterial infections. Fucicort Cream. This cream is used for bacterial infections with severe inflammation or itching, particularly eczema, psoriasis, with secondary infections. Fucicort, containing betamethasone, is recommended for more severe cases. If your eczema is mild to moderate, Fucidin H is a better option. We hope this video helps clarify the differences between these creams. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below, and we'll be happy to answer.